Hi everyone, I'm going to show you a new chord today. It's called the D minor chord. So if we look on our key of C, we're in the first 7 notes, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and we look at the corresponding chords which we've learned so far. We have the C major chord, which is a C, E, and G. We have the F major chord, which has the F, A, and C in it. The 5 major chord has a G, B, and D. And the 6 minor chord has an A, C, and E in it. The pretty cool thing about the key of C is it's pretty easy to remember the fingering for all these chords so far. It's the first, third, and fifth note. It's played with the first finger, third finger, and fifth finger. So that's for the C. When we go to the F, same thing again, first, third, and fifth to play the F, A, and C. Move it up to the G chord. The thumb plays the root, G, B, D, and the A minor, and the thumb's playing the root, the A, and there's a C and an E. Now the D minor is very similar to that, fingering. So from the C chord, it just moves over one white key to the right. So you're playing, the thumb is playing the root, the D, the middle finger's playing the F, and the pinky is playing the A. So it's playing the first, third, and fifth note, D, F, and A. The bass note is a D. So on the left hand, again we're in the C position, you're playing the D note with the fourth finger. So there we go, we can finish that D minor chord, or the 2 minor chord, D, F, and A. And again, we could use the C scale to figure out all our chords. We just have to remember from whatever the starting note is, that starting note is considered the root, and then we skip a note to get our second note, and then we skip another note. For the C, it'd be C, skip 1 E, skip 1 G. So the first, third, and fifth fingers play C, E, and G. If we go to the D minor, it'll be D, skip the E, go to F, skip the G, play an A. If we have an F major chord, F was the root or a bass note of the chord. Play that with your thumb, skip the G, play an A, skip the B and play a C. And the G chord, the G is the bass or the root, skip the A, play a B, and then play a D. And then for the A minor, you play an A with your index finger, skip the B, play a C, skip the D, and I ran out of room there. There should be an E for the next one. So we're just going to practice switching between the D minor chord to all the other chords we've learned so far. So we'll start in 4/4 time. Right hand's doing quarter notes, left hand bass note is playing half notes. So we start with the A minor. I'll call out the chords, but it'll be A minor to D minor, then G to D minor, then F to D, then C to D minor. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 D minor. 1, 2, 3, 4 G. 1, 2, 3, 4 D minor. 1, 2, 3, 4 F. 1, 2, 3, 4 D minor. Then C. 2, 3 D minor. Okay, and then let's do it in 3/4 time. This time we're going to break up the chord a little bit. It's going to be the same chord progression, but we start at the A minor, hit the bass note for count 1, and then 2 quarter notes on the right hand. And we'll do 2 measures of each chord. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 D minor. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 G. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 D minor. F. 2, 3. 1, 2, D minor. C. It's got that haunting, sad sound to it that most minor chords have. Alright, next piano video we will put this to a couple of songs. Keep practicing. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.